Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying essentials so nothing stops you: power, IEC cable, and the console-rated voltage. Once that's confirmed, plug in AES50 stage boxes with shielded CAT5. This preserves timing and reduces noise. You set the clock and sample rate to 48 kHz to match FOH gear, because mismatched rates cause clicks. Make sure to insert a USB drive for show files and presets, and log into or create an admin user so you can save changes immediately. Now you route audio. Assign physical mic/line connectors to the M32 input channels, starting with 1 through 32 for clarity. Once done, open the I/O routing page and map AES50 ports so remote stage boxes feed the correct channel strips. Consistent labeling prevents confusion during sound check. Next, patch buses and matrices to outputs, send bus mixes to stage wedges, LR to mains, and configure headphone mixes. When you patch deliberately, you avoid accidental feedback and can troubleshoot more quickly. Finish by performing a full sound check. Adjust input gain and trim, apply HPF and gentle EQ to remove rumble, and set bus send levels. Once levels are solid, save a scene to the USB and internal memory. Use clear, versioned file names so you can revert. If you encounter no signal, first verify clock and AES50 sync, then inspect mute states and input gain staging. Those are the most common culprits. If problems persist, reboot the console and reload the saved scene, because a fresh start often clears configuration glitches.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.